The substring function extracts and returns a specified number of characters from all of the values in a string column. There are many use cases for this function. In this scenario, we will be extracting the first 3 characters of an invoice number because that tells us what location a sale was made at. Let's begin by creating a beast mode called SUBSTRING. The sales invoice column will be our source column for this formula. Since we want only the first 3 characters of this column, we will put the start at character 1 and end at character 3. You can adjust this range to whatever suits your needs. Now, let's see how this looks in our data. As you can see, we have successfully extracted the first 3 characters of the sales invoice column. Thank you for watching. Follow Arigato Analytics for more tips for Domo users.